Welcome back. Goa police on Tuesday handed over dead body of Kavish Nath to the family. Kavish was nephew of Mahindra and Mahindra MD Anand Mahindra. He died in Anjuna on Monday when a scooter was hit by a speeding car. Mahindra family has raised a question over Goa police's investigation and has sought justice.
Post-mortem of Kavish Mahindra, nephew of Mahindra and Mahindra CMD Anand Mahindra, was conducted in GMC at Bambali on Tuesday. Anand Mahindra, with his brother-in-law and father of Kavish, had come to receive Kavish's body for last rituals. Mahindra family raised a question on Goa police's investigation as police did not conduct alcohol test of accused soon after the accident. A representative of Mahindra company on behalf of the Mahindra family said that they want a fair investigation and justice.
It has hit the family very hard, and we all hope that whoever is responsible for such a action, justice is done in the correct and fair manner. We are confident that the police will handle it appropriately and make sure that the guilty people are brought to justice.
32-year-old Kavish Mahindra was in Goa for about a month taking a scuba diving course. The accident took place in wee hours of Monday in Anjuna area. Kavish was driving a scooter and a car hit him from behind. The accused driver Rahul Kaushik, a tourist from Madhya Pradesh, brought him to the hospital but he died. A case against accused driver under culpable homicide not amounting to murder has been registered and the court has granted bail to him. With video journalist Chetan Gawas, reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Members of Legislative Assembly have given suggestions to the government on different proposals to be taken into consideration for budget allocation. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has asked to set up an agriculture college to encourage farming in Goa. He also said that a corporation has to be set up to resolve garbage menace in coastal areas. Vishwajit Rani said that government will have to strive hard to achieve the targeted growth. Subhash Fardesai also spoke on the first day of general discussion on budget 2013-2014.
सरकारान हांव एक मागणी करता माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन की सरकारान ही गोरवांक थोडे अर्ध्या किमतीन तरी ताब्यान घेवन तांची व्यवस्था करची.
सामान्य मनशाक त्रास जावं न्हय आनी इनडायरेक्ट डायरेक्ट टॅक्सीन ते एक्झॅक्टली क्लियरली लोकांच्या मनान वयचे. आमी वाचल्या, तुमी म्हणटा ते काल आमी उल्लेख जो केलो, खरें म्हटल्यार काल आमी जे आमकां ताबडतोब आमी पळोवंक आमकां शकले तेजेर आमी आमचो रिएक्शन आसलो. पूण हे फिगर्स जे आसा हे फिगर्स काय चुकूं शकना. हे फिगर्स सरकारानूच दिल्ले आसा आनी मुख्यमंत्रीन बजेटान सांगलेलें आसा आमकां. पूण ह्या आदाराचेर आमकां दिसता की हे एझम्पशन्स जे केल्या हे सरकाराक आपले टार्गेट जे आसा कदाचित दे मे नॉट बी इन अ पोजिशन टू अचीव. म्हणून 50 पैसे आसतना 1 रुपयाचे खर्च टाकप आय डोंट थिंक इट्स वायज.
एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेज आमच्या गोंयान जावची आफ्टर SSC. जे कोणाक एग्रीकल्चर शिकपाक जाय तेणी ह्या सॅक्टरान एडमिशन घेवन एक डिग्री काडची एग्रीकल्चरान आनी हें करून हे आमी गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट स्टार्ट करपाक आमी वावुरया. हेचेर एक कॉर्पोरेशन पासून जाय जाल्यार फॉर्म करूंक जाता आनी आमचे जे MLAs आसा आनी बाकीचे कोण बरे एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आहा तांकां घेवन हो आमी नॉर्थ गोवा आनी साउथ गोवा गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट पोस्टा वयलो आमी सेटअप करपाक जाय.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Opposition grilled government over rising cases of thefts and dacoities in the state. Stress was given on tightening security and proper training to the police personnel. Chief Minister and Home Minister Manohar Parrikar agreed that there is shortage of police force. He also said that the personnel are overloaded. The question was raised by Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai. He has also demanded special police station in his constituency.
978 thefts, 361 burglaries and 7 dacoity दाखयल्या. तातूंत चडांत चड केसीस मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर नोट डावन जाल्या. मडगांव आनी पणजे. आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरान गेल्ले बजेटान अनाउन्स केल्लें की फातोर्डाक आपूण एक पुलीस स्टेशन दितलो म्हणून आनी 80 पुलीस पर्सनल 80 काय 88 पुलीस पर्सनल दितलो म्हणून.
Naxalite coming and staying here as a laborer from Jharkhand किंवा आनीक खंयच्यान पोरू 2011 म्हज्या यादी प्रमाणे 1079 थेफ्ट केसी जाल्या. सो इट इज नॉट इन्क्रीज, इट इज एक्चुअली अ स्लाइट डिक्रीज.
रॅम्पॉइंट म्हळ्यार आज चोरी दाखयली CCTVचेर, फाल्यां थंयच चोरी परती जाता. म्हळ्यार दॅट मिन्स पुलीस आर नॉट डुईंग पेट्रोलिंग.
Police are recruited and the first bench comes out, I will put up additional substations or full-scale stations.
Police station म्हणून सारखे clear
दिता.
We have to train our people. अश्योच केसी जायत वयतली. गाडी काढली दुसरी आवटेन खंय तरी हेली अरे ही फिंगरप्रिंट आतां घेवया म्हणटा. ते बाबडे तेचेच फिंगरप्रिंट आसतले तेचेर आनी तेका धरचो पडटलो.
We have decided to separate crime detection from law and order. भायल्यांच्यान जे कोण गोंया भायले लोक हाडटा आनी तांकां नोकरेक दवरतात तांकां सगळ्यांक एप्रील म्हयन्या पासून कंपल्सरिली दे वील हॅव टू एन्श्युअर दॅट अ पुलीस क्लियरन्स. मागीर बोवाळ मारतले म्हज्या नांवान कितें की मागीर ते पुलीस क्लियरन्सा मागीर कामाक दवरपाक येना. टुडे द प्रॉब्लेम इज एक्चुअली ओवरलोड. ट्रेनिंगाचे रिफ्रेशर कोर्स केल्या पण ट्रेनिंगाक धाडटलो जर तूं जाल्यार ऑल्टरनेटीव आमचे कडेन ना थंय रिप्लेस करपाक. हांवें सांगलें न्ही पणजे सारक्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर जवळ जवळ 30-40% वेकन्सी आहा. मडगांव 30% वेकन्सी आहा.
कोंकण रेल्वे स्टेशन पळय आसा थंय जर सेक्युरिटी जर टायटन करा आय वूड सजेस्ट द चीफ मिनिस्टर शूड इमिजिएटली गिव डायरेक्शन दॅट त्या पिरियडाक आफ्टर 12 o'clock till 4 o'clock वेदर सेक्युरिटी कूड बी टायटन.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.